here, bro. Right here, right here. Hey! Alright, let's get my stuff. Woo! Cheers, mate. Thank you. We made it. Chazzy Chaz, how you been? Dude, it's snowing like crazy.
Yeah, this isn't the time to go out and take pictures.
Definitely, let's go out.
No, right now it's not. This is too much.
I'm so excited.
I come from freezing ass outside.
Alright, enough watching it up here. I'm gonna go down and have some fun. Whew, that was a big jump. Let's go explore. It's too wet for my camera. We're gonna get out of the snow. We're gonna go inside here, check this place out. There might have been a reason Chaz didn't come out with me. He knows this. I got all excited like a little kid. Now I'm drenched and my camera might be broken. Oh, we live and learn. Well, back inside, try and fix my camera, back to London. Oh shit. Oops. Man, I hope this works. It's super hot. Please, 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 please work. Please work, please work. Fuck. Why is it like that? Please, please, please be okay. Please be okay. Please be okay. Come on. Thank God. Don't be a fool, kids. Stay inside when it snows. Cheers! I should have listened to you. I'm sorry. Sometimes you just gotta admit when you're wrong. Well, until next time, keep being Buzzy.